Hey there, you've just seen the right video where I'm gonna show you how to make thousands and thousands of dollars doing online jobs. And I know you are tired looking for jobs each and every time and you've not been successful, but I'm gonna show you in my videos. Click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. You're gonna find a lot of videos which actually show you how to make thousands and thousands of dollars. So you can see I have a number of videos right here which gonna show you how to make thousands and thousands of dollars. So without further ado, go right there, click the subscribe button because I know like this video, check it out so that you can get financial freedom, work from anywhere, work from home, walk in the street, walk anywhere, just doing everything online and earning thousands and thousands of dollars. So let's learn how to do this.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to take you through SEOCLERKS. So this is a very nice website to actually show your skills and start off with the entrepreneurship when you want to start working on your own and picking up. So I'm going to take you through. You can see that there are a lot of subsections you can go through. There is art and design, which is a very incredible way of starting off. You can start doing graphics and logos, business cards. There is a lot of such things that are being done over here. You can see that there is things to do with NFTs. You can create your own NFT collection and actually sell it. So you can see there is also many other opportunities you can go through. There is custom professionals and responsive website. You can actually see that there ranges from this amount of money to very low $4 amounts to higher amounts like 500. And from this you can actually see that there is ability to actually go for content and writing and programming also. Let's start with content writing. You can see there is article writing, there is email and newsletter, there is this article translating, there is social posts and management. We can see that this is like writing 750 words and you get paid for doing such. And you can see that there are very, very, very easy tasks that can be done that you can actually join and be able to do such simple tasks. Check out this section. This is very creative section where you can easily walk away through. Once you start working on this, it becomes easy for someone who wants your skill. It comes, just check on this, clicks on your order and starts working with you. There's also article translating. When you're good at translating, you can work on that. There is social post management. Let's see programming. There is programming opportunities also. So let's check this out also. You can see there is WordPress, HTML. You can buy HTML and CSS programs or the PHP. Let's check out. You see there is SEO friendly websites to rank first on Google, which goes for such an amount. And you can see it's pretty good, I can say. And these are very cool actually. And if we go to this other side, there is PHP, that is coding services online, available over here. You can see that it is cool. You can do on-site SEO, which is a tedious job, but the outcome is cool. You can see it goes for some cool amount of money and you can actually work on this. So there is also another opportunity to sell your services. So if you want, let me take you through the sign up process. You can, if you already have an account, you can just come and sign in, click on your robot, but we are going to sign up. So signing up, you put your username, email, password, confirm password, then continue, and then you log in. And then the same is just showing the same page, which is actually the main aim, but this is actually a good way. You can actually filter yourself to actually pro. If you want pro, that's okay. And you can see there are many ways to actually work on this, which is cool. So you can actually search the SEOCLERKS. It's available on the internet, and go for it. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next video.